Hey, this is Carl. I'm doing this video to show you how to change the battery on a Kidde smoke alarm. The first thing you got to know about this particular smoke alarm is the little pin on the left-hand side has to be pulled out before you twist the smoke alarm off of its base. If you attempt to try to twist the smoke alarm off of its base without removing this pin, you're going to cause damage to the base or the smoke alarm. After you've removed the pin and twisted the smoke alarm from its base, you'll have to squeeze the sides of this quick disconnect to detach the harness from the back of the smoke alarm. You will lift open this little tab, which is the door to the battery compartment. To get the battery out, pull on this yellow tab and it will lift the battery out for you. Once the battery pops out, this little pink yellow tab pops up and is spring loaded up. When you replace the battery, push this tab down first and then install your battery with the yellow tape up under your battery. This is what it looks like when the battery is reinstalled with the yellow tape up under the battery and the pink tab pushed down before you install the battery. Now that the battery is installed, the door closed, the smoke alarm is ready to be reinstalled to its base. Once you have the smoke alarm back attached to its base, you'll have to put that little white pin back in its slot to lock the smoke alarm to its base. And after you're done, you'll notice that there's a green light that lets you know everything is good to go with the smoke alarm.